I'm just a little curious about today's protest in the first place. And I think someone on the panel has mentioned this as well. There was reason for the opposition to protest, right? They are protesting what they see as an insult to Bhimrao Ambedkar that was made by Home Minister Amit Shah. As I said, we can all agree or disagree on that. What was the BJP protesting? Why were BJP MPs out there protesting and blocking the way of Congress MPs? It was almost like they were ready for a fight, itching for a fight, as they say.
I believe it's whether you or me who is one upmanship drama. I believe पहला पत्थर किसने फेंका ये न सोचो अभी, टूटा हुआ शीशा जुड़ेगा कैसे यही सोचो अभी. But these people are only thinking. सवाल ये नहीं कि शीशा टूटे या न टूटे, सवाल ये है कि पहला पत्थर किसने फेंका. And that's what it is happening. It's unfortunate. It's unfortunate that every day of the parliament is wasted and crores of rupees are wasted to convert it into a national school of drama or Delhi Haat or Dhobi Ghat, and now it is Kushti Ka Akhada. It's unfortunate, absolutely unfortunate. It's the wrong precedence. We are giving it in front of our next generation. This is not the way our forefathers sacrificed for the democracy and independence of this nation. It is shameful, in my opinion, the way an old person is injured today and admitted to hospital, and not a single person from the opposition even felt once to talk about it.
Dr. Uday, by the looks of it, not one old person, but two old people, including an 80-year-old, that is Mr. Kharge, were injured. So, you know, as journalists, let's keep that in mind, that there are charges from both sides that are coming in. And I may be accused of monkey balancing when I say that I have absolutely no doubt in my mind that Parliament is paralyzed not just because of the government and the BJP, but also because of the opposition. Because both sides are not backing off, and both sides are saying if you up the ante, we'll up the ante as well. होने दो, जनता का तो पैसा खर्च हो रहा है. होने दो जितना होता है.
That's
just
why
leave
on
it
the
there for
first
the
day,
moment. Dr. Uday, thank you very much for joining
that's
us.
Why on the first day.
But I blame everyone. I blame the BJP, I blame the government, and I blame the Congress as well. Running the government is running the parliament is the government's responsibility, but it doesn't mean that the Congress ladao zadanga all the time. But yeah, Bhavya, you want to say something? Go ahead. एक मिनट.
Yes.
एक मिनट भैया.
I do not agree with.
It is the government's responsibility.
Dr. Uday spoke like by normal common people.
Let Bhavya speak,
that we need not think about who started it, and we only need to think about what the damage is. But this happened inside the parliament premises, and the MPs, the elected representatives, have done it. And it's very clear that the BJP MPs had an intention to create a ruckus over there. They need to be blamed. Whoever started this needs to be blamed and taken to task and punished accordingly, according to the parliamentary rules of business.
Okay.
You cannot talk like this happened on screen
as
and
viewers,
citizens were involved. And to blame opposition.
The point is, Bhavya, as taxpayers, I will say it the way I see it. Bhavya, as a taxpayer, I will say it as I see it. And this is what I see. I simply see that for the last 3 weeks, both sides have been upping the ante because they are simply not interested in working for the people who actually vote for them. एक दंगा करेगा तो दूसरा बड़ा दंगा करेगा. It doesn't matter to them that the taxpayers' money is being wasted every minute that they do this drama. Is the BJP to blame? Is the Congress to blame? We'll let our viewers decide. But most importantly, in the interest of fairness and transparency, I once again say that the Rajya Sabha Secretariat and the Lok Sabha Secretariat need to release unedited pictures of what exactly happened in Parliament today. Otherwise, it's all hearsay.